close your eyes for a moment and imagine this: you're living a life where your bank account receives consistent deposits every month, totaling a whopping $10,000. This money arrives without you lifting a finger, allowing you to focus on things that bring you joy. Whether it is traveling, spending time with family, or simply living free from the worry of bills and expenses, now open your eyes and hear this: achieving this level of financial freedom is not a distant dream. It is within your reach. Today, I am going to reveal a practical, step-by-step plan to help you make $10,000 each month. And here is the best part: you can start with as little as $50 each week. This is not about get-rich-quick schemes or unrealistic expectations. This is about creating a stable long-term plan that allows your money to work for you. Why only $50 each week? Many people assume that to make a substantial amount of money they need a large initial investment or perhaps some sort of financial miracle. But what if I told you that with just $50 each week, you could be on your way to building a substantial passive income stream? $50 a week is manageable, even for those who are tight on cash. It is an amount you could potentially save by cutting out a couple of unnecessary expenses. By committing to $50 a week, you're making a consistent investment in your future. Each dollar you invest is like a building block, laying the foundation for the life you envision. So let us dive into the steps that will take you from $50 per week to a solid $10,000 each month. Step 1: Embracing a wealth-building mindset. Before we jump into specific strategies, we need to address a crucial foundation: your mindset. The way you view money significantly influences how you handle it. Most people see $50 as a small, insignificant amount, but people who understand wealth building know that every dollar has the potential to grow, to multiply, and to eventually become a powerful asset. Changing your mindset starts with understanding that $50 is not just cash, it is a seed. When planted and nurtured, it can grow into a tree that bears fruit consistently. So as we move forward, keep this mindset close. See each weekly investment as a stepping stone to the financial freedom you deserve. Step 2: Finding the right investment vehicles. Now let us get into the exciting part: where exactly should that $50 each week go? There are several options that, when approached strategically, can grow into substantial returns. But to keep things simple and effective, I will focus on 3 proven investment vehicles that have helped countless people reach their income goals. By following these strategies, you can turn your consistent $50 investments into a robust passive income source. First, we will explore dividend-paying stocks. These are stocks from companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. Second, we will look at index funds and exchange-traded funds, which offer diversification across various sectors and can be an ideal option for building long-term wealth. Finally, we will discuss real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs, which allow you to invest in real estate without the need for a huge upfront investment or the hassle of property management. Let us start with dividend-paying stocks. Investment option 1: Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are a fantastic option for anyone seeking a steady income stream. These stocks provide you with a portion of a company's profits at regular intervals, usually on a quarterly basis. By investing in companies that consistently pay out dividends, you're creating a cash flow that grows as your investment grows. Here is how to get started with dividend-paying stocks using just $50 each week. Start by researching companies with a strong history of stable or increasing dividend payments. You want companies that have consistently paid dividends. Even during economic downturns, look for well-established companies in sectors such as utilities, consumer goods, or real estate. These sectors tend to offer reliable dividends. With each $50 investment, you're adding to your portfolio. As your dividends start to accumulate, you will have the option to reinvest them, which we will talk more about in a moment. Over time, those dividends will become a steady source of income, moving you closer to your goal of $10,000 per month. Investment option 2: Index funds and exchange-traded funds. Next, let us discuss index funds and exchange-traded funds. These investment options are ideal for those who want a diversified portfolio without having to pick individual stocks. An index fund or exchange-traded fund is essentially a collection of stocks or bonds that represents a segment of the market, whether it is technology, healthcare, or even the entire stock market. By investing in an index fund or exchange-traded fund, you are spreading your money across multiple companies. This reduces risk because your success does not rely on a single company. Even if one company in the index or fund underperforms, others may perform well, balancing out the overall performance. With a consistent $50 investment each week, you're buying into this broad market exposure. Index funds and exchange-traded funds generally offer an average annual return of around 7 to 10%. While this might seem modest, remember that consistency and time are your greatest allies. By reinvesting the returns you earn, you're compounding your investment and increasing its value year after year. The beauty of index funds and exchange-traded funds lies in their simplicity. There is no need to research individual stocks extensively. You are investing in the market as a whole, which historically has shown steady growth over time. Investment option 3: real estate investment trusts. Lastly, let us talk about real estate investment trusts. Also known as REITs, real estate has always been a popular choice for building wealth, but traditional real estate investments often require large amounts of capital and can be time-consuming to manage. REITs, however, provide a way for you to invest in real estate without these barriers. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating properties. When you invest in a REIT, you are essentially buying a small share in a large real estate portfolio, which could include properties such as shopping centers, office buildings, or apartment complexes. Many REITs offer high dividend payouts, making them an excellent option for passive income. By investing $50 each week into REITs, you are building a position in the real estate market. Over time, as your investment grows, you will see more substantial returns. Some REITs focus on specific sectors such as healthcare, commercial properties, or residential buildings, so you can choose the ones that align best with your investment goals. Like dividend stocks and index funds, REITs allow you to reinvest your dividends, which is key to achieving compound growth. The power of compound growth reinvestment is key. Now that you know where to put your $50 each week, let us discuss one of the most powerful wealth-building concepts: compound growth. Compound growth occurs when the returns you earn on an investment are reinvested, generating even more returns. Over time, this creates exponential growth in your portfolio. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. That is exactly what happens when you reinvest your returns instead of spending them. For instance, if you invest $50 each week and receive dividends, put those dividends back into your investment rather than withdrawing them. This simple step allows your wealth to grow much faster. The longer you reinvest, the larger your portfolio becomes, ultimately bringing you closer to the goal of $10,000 each month. Remember, compound growth requires patience and consistency. It is a long-term strategy that rewards those who are willing to stay committed. The importance of consistency and patience. One of the most critical factors in this journey is consistency. Anyone can invest $50 here and there, but the real results come from disciplined, regular investing. Think of it as building a habit, like going to the gym. The first few weeks may not show any significant changes, but over time, the impact becomes clear. Investing consistently each week, even when it seems like progress is slow, is the key to success. 10 years from now, you will be grateful that you stayed committed to this routine, as it will allow you to achieve a level of financial security and freedom you may have only dreamed of. To wrap this up, let us revisit the core idea. With only $50 each week and a commitment to smart investing, you can set yourself up to reach an income of $10,000 per month. This path may not be easy, and it will take time, patience, and discipline, but the rewards are life-changing. Picture a life where you are not bound by a 9-to-5 job, where you have the freedom to spend your time as you please. Every single week, with each $50 investment, you are taking a step closer to that life. So are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? Do not wait for a perfect moment. Start today. Begin with that $50, choose the right investments, reinvest your returns, and watch your wealth grow over time. Because remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you will reach that $10,000 each month. Let us build this journey together, one $50 investment at a time. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. Also, I would love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Here's to your financial freedom journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.